Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as said, we will now be starting a new journey to learn a huge concept of data structures, making it interesting and fruitful. In any technical interview, it's always the first choice of any interviewer to ask questions on data structures. So let's see the introduction of data structures at a glance. So first we will look the definition of the term data structures. So what exactly data structure is? Data structures are basically the storages that can be used to store and arrange the data. So just think of an empty bag in which you have to store books. Now you can store books vertically or horizontally. If you want to add new books, you might add it from the front or you might add it from the back. So basically, data structures are different ways through which you can arrange or organize different elements inside any empty space. The main goal of this is to access the huge data efficiently. Now I hope you must have got an idea about what data structures are. Now let's see why do we use that. So the first usage is that it enables the developers to handle the data in an efficient manner. Now you might know that there is a huge amount of data which is present in this date. The data is increasing day by day. To handle and store this huge amount of data, we need data structures. Now you must be aware that any software's or application's main goal is to make the system efficient and optimal, which is nothing but to store and retrieve any user's data or information as fast as possible. And for this, data structures are used. And most importantly, if a good arrangement of data or a good data structure is used, then even in low processing power conditions, a system can behave normally and efficiently. And there are many more such important advantages of using data structures. So, a task for you all, you have to put one more advantage or usage of data structure in the comment section. Now, let's have a look at the classification of data structures. So broadly, data structures are categorized into two basic types. First is the linear data structure. So by the word itself, you might have got an idea that the data structure which arranges the elements in a linear fashion is known as linear data structure. In this type of data structures, each element is connected to the element in the front of it and to the element to the back of it. Now the second type of data structure is non-linear data structure. So by the word itself, if any arrangement of data is not in a linear fashion, then it's non-linear data structure. Using a non-linear data structure, memory can be utilized in an efficient manner. Now let's see the subcategories of linear data structures. So linear data structures is broadly categorized into two categories. First is the static and the another one is the dynamic. Static linear data structure is nothing but the arrangement of elements in memory which is fixed in size. Example of static linear data structure is array. Talking about the dynamic data structure, so the speciality of this is that when applying operations, we can modify the memory size of it. Examples of dynamic data structures are stacks, queues, and linked list. In the upcoming videos, we will be looking into detailed explanation of all of these data structures. Now talking about nonlinear data structures, it uses memory more efficiently than compared to linear data structures. Some examples of nonlinear data structures are trees and graphs. These are most important and interesting types of data structures which are widely used in industries. So this is the basic classification of data structures. In the upcoming videos, we will be looking into detailed explanation of each and every data structure listed. Now let's have a look at the applications of data structures. So the first application is that it is widely used in CPU process scheduling. Now you must be aware that a CPU contains a lot of process. To arrange and organize those processes in manner, data structures plays an important role. And there are many more such applications of data structures which are most helpful for any operating system. Next application is that the data structure can be used in mobile phone contact management. So inside mobile phone there are a huge list of contacts. To arrange them in a specific way, to store them and to retrieve them in the easiest possible manner, data structures plays a vital role. Next application is that it can be used in packet. So while transferring any sort of data over network, it is always transferred in the form of packets. Now the packets while transmitting are in huge number. So to arrange them and organize them while transferring data structures plays a vital role. And finally, data structures can be used in any software's backend and databases. From any application and software, huge amount of data can be collected daily from n number of users. So to store, organize and arrange this data in a specific manner and efficiently, data structures can be used. Now in the upcoming videos, we will be seeing all these data structures one by one. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.